Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study effectively in middle school. First, find a quiet spot at home where you can focus without interruptions. Next, make sure all your books, notes, and supplies are neatly arranged before you begin. Finally, decide exactly what you want to accomplish during your study time to stay on track and feel productive. To study smarter, tackle big projects by dividing them into smaller steps. This makes them less overwhelming. Try using flashcards or quizzing yourself to actively recall information, which is much more effective than just rereading. Also, explaining what you've learned to someone else, or even to yourself, helps solidify the concepts in your mind. Effective time management is key. Try to set aside specific times each day for studying, perhaps in 30-minute intervals. Remember to take short, 5-minute breaks every so often to rest your brain and prevent feeling overwhelmed. Additionally, quickly reviewing your notes before and after each class can significantly boost your retention. Staying organized is crucial for success. Always use a planner or calendar to keep track of all your assignments, tests, and project due dates. Don't hesitate to ask your teachers or classmates for help if you're struggling with a particular subject. They are there to support you. And speaking of bringing your space to life, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Remember, consistent effort leads to great results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.